welcome to this chapter. Now, in this course, Benz and I go into tons of practical and real world prompts that you can use in your everyday life. And in this section, we wanted to take the time to really dive into prompt engineering because, as you'll find out, this is a massive part of using generative AI, whether it's MidJourney, Dall-E, or ChatGPT, because the output of what you're trying to get out of these tools is only as good as the data that the tool itself was trained on and the input of the prompt that you're using. So the better the prompt, the better the output. Now, you're going to learn in this chapter the different frameworks that you can use in your daily life for personal and professional projects that are repeatable, copy and paste, and will really maximize your output. And then you'll also see how you can start to develop and create your own template prompts using these prompt engineering techniques to really, 10x your creativity and productivity. So before we get into these lessons that I'm really excited about, I wanted to show you a recent post that I saw online from Anthropic, which is Google's latest $300 million AI investment that they're putting a lot of resources into as a adversary to ChatGPT. So let's check out what their job posting was. This is a prompt engineer for $250,000 to $335,000 a year plus equity. Now, what they're looking for is someone who's going to build up a library of high quality prompts and prompt chains to accomplish a variety of tasks, and also build a set of tutorials and interactive tools that teach the art of prompt engineering to their customers. They go into a description here about what the good fit would be: have a creative hacker spirit and love solving puzzles, an excellent communicator, love teaching the technical concepts, and creating high quality documentation that helps others. So nothing in this is super unattainable to the average person, and I wanted to share it because it's just a good example of what the future of new jobs that are going to be created from these new aspects of these incredible AI tools. So with that said, let's now dive into this prompt engineering section.